Hello, I'm Nik
And I'm Matt Cobb.
and today we're going to demonstrate the Milk Lab and how the interaction between milk and soap can be traced with food coloring.
Yes.
First, you're going to need materials. A petri dish filled with your choice of milk, depending on 2% skim milk or whole milk. You're also going to need food coloring to trace the hydrophilic interactions between the two.
You can also need soap, which will help
present the interactions. What's being depicted here is the soap and the milk is going to be reacting, not necessarily reacting, but there's the hydrophilic properties that the two possess, and given that soap molecules and fat molecules are nonpolar to one another, they are not going to combine. First, you're going to want to take 3 colors of food coloring and add them in different corners, making an Illuminati triangle.
Yes. Make sure they're on each end of the
Petri dish.
And 3 drops would probably be enough.
That should be a sufficient amount. Then you're going to take your little squirter here and add a drop of soap in the center of all 3 colors.
See how the colors disperse on the side.
And almost instantly, you can see the interactions happen.
Now it takes some time, but they're gonna keep moving around as they keep reflecting off of each
And all
other.
3 colors should intertwine, illustrating the hydrophilic properties the milk and the soap possess. And we're back. As you can see, the soap and the milk have portrayed a perfect demonstration of
The dye intertwining with each other has become very
abstract and it's
yeah,
pretty good.
it's very nice to see, the different combinations that it can bring.
I would not advise you consuming this. It's probably gross, but
Probably dangerous too. Soap and milk and dye, not a good.
probably get some cancer. So
Alright, yeah. So that's our first demonstration for you.
that concludes the Milk Lab 2015.
Hi, I'm Matt Cobb, and I'm going to tell you what not to do in the Milk Lab. Well, first, you got your dyes. You should not put them in the middle. You shouldn't put more than 2 or 3 drops. See how I did 4 there. And you shouldn't do more than 3 colors, which you should have already learned. You need to put those on the sides, not in the middle. And then with the soap, you should be putting it in the middle, not on the sides like I am right now. You should be putting 1 to 2 drops in the middle, not the whole thing on the side. That's how the lab works. You should not be doing this. You should not put your fingers in. You should wear protective gloves, if you don't want to get it on you or around you. Yeah, can't be doing this. You want the soap to interact by itself, not by any other help. And that's not what to do in the Milk Lab.